अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल किंगडम्स लाइफ। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए अपनी बेटी का वार्डरोब टूर लेकर आई हूँ और आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ बहुत सी चीज़ें डिस्कस करूँगी समर से रिलेटेड। लेट्स सी मेरी वार्डरोब बेटी की जो है उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने रखी हैं और इनमें से बहुत सी चीज़ें मैं आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ। लेट्स हैव अ लुक इनसाइड द वार्डरोब ऑफ माई लिटिल एंजल। देखते हैं कि मैंने क्या क्या चीज़ें उसके लिए समर से रिलेटेड चूज़ की हुई हैं और उनको मैंने क्यों चूज़ किया है। आई विल ऑल्सो टेल यू दैट। वन साइड इज़ हैंगिंग साइड as you can see, and the other side is with 3 columns. You can place different type of things in that column regarding to your own use. You can easily see that I have most of the dresses are hanged. You can see I have placed most of the dresses on hangers. So my majority of the material that I have chosen to hang are fabric that is more convenient to wear in summer season. At the back side of the cupboard you can see I have placed some formal dresses. I will also show what type of formal dresses I have chosen for my daughter. And on the second side, the rest of the cupboard you can see that I have chosen all lawn dresses. I will also share the brand that I have purchased from. Well, this is the hanging side. You can also see that most of the hangers are in pink because I purchased in bulk. So some of the hangers I bought with dresses and rest I purchased from the market. You can easily find small hangers from the market. Well, come on the other side. As in my previous tutorials you can see that I have given tutorials on baby basket, changing basket. I have actually replaced that changing basket into my daughter's accessories basket. I will also show you that what type of stuff I have put inside, and rest of the things I have placed at the corner of the upper column, and few of the other dresses which I no need to hang on the inside the cupboard, so I have just placed inside that first column. Most of the stuff you can see are jeans and other type of material. This is a changing mat. I have placed it on the top because easily to approach. Now you can easily see that I have placed my napkins, as in many videos I have mentioned you that these napkins are the most demandable one with your small kids. So I have placed it here so I can easily approach and use them, and I put more of the napkins over there. In the second column I have placed at the back side you can see there is a pink basket, that is medicines basket. I am not going to show it because it's a personal one. Always go for your recommended medicines. Do not take everyone's suggestion for the medicines. Second, I have, as I already told you, that my second basket is replaced with the baby changing basket. I have just put all the accessories. I will also show you what type of accessories I have for my baby. And over here this is a box. In this box I have put some other accessories which are not used. I am not using it right now, but usable accessories I have put it inside this basket. At the last column you can see I have put her little bit accessible shoes, and at the end you can see that there is a big drawer at the end of this wardrobe. At one corner of the wardrobe, this drawer, I have placed all the diapers. They are easily accessible. Rest of the diapers I have placed under this hanging side of the cupboard. Here there are some underdresses. Some of the dresses I have placed because sometimes you need full sleeves shirts for in use of AC. Here are some underwears and pajamas. Over here you can see some wrapping sheets. These are all the other napkins which are storable napkins. I have placed in one small net cover, so you can also use according to your own choice. And that is all about my baby wardrobe. Okay, now come towards some of the collection I have chosen for my baby girl. She is about 7 months old, and as summer is very hot in Pakistan, so I have decided to just put some of the fabric, net fabric fancy frocks for formal wear. So some of these frocks you can see, they are all pullover style frocks. And so here's a complete look of the whole wardrobe, easy dresses. Some of these I have purchased online, definitely, as we all are going through with pandemic, and we all are taking care as avoiding going outside. So we all are trying our level best to purchase most of the things online. So I discover good shops or good outlets online, and I am really happy that their fabric is very good. I will also recommend you what type of brand is that. It's just an online brand. There is no outlet of that brand, and most of my shopping is done from that brand. Some of the dresses I have purchased from Daraz, like these two you can see. There is another one. There was a complete package, and they are really in cheap rate. If you want to increase the quantity, as you know, kids are using the dresses a lot. Most of the time I used to change 3 to 4 times a day, so it's very very difficult to maintain with little bit number of the dresses. So if you are looking for more quantity, you can also go for some of these type of dresses. They are easily available on Daraz. There are many varieties. So I purchased this in really minimum price, and it was really good. The fabric is not that bad, it's not that soft, but you can see but the rate is really good. So I recommend, if you want to go for more quantity, you can easily go for these type of dresses, as they can easily give you some good time. Some of the other dresses like these, they're like, you can see some sweatshirts type of dresses, and some little bit semi-formal like, but the fabric you can see underneath is still lawn, soft fabric is there. So these type of dresses you can easily found on Mini Miners or different type of other brands, online stores. You can even found these type of dresses. But I would recommend such type of dresses which I have purchased more in quantity. You can easily see. So they all are in lawn. They are very soft. As you already know that we want to wear really soft material, as summer is very hot in Pakistan. So we try level best to make ourselves more comfortable with lawn and such type of material like lawn. So I have purchased all of this material, which you can easily see over here, from a brand that is online brand, and I first purchased few of the products from them, and I really love the stuff, and then I go for more shopping from the same brand, that is Tim Tim Official. I will also give the link under description, and you can see on the screen as well. So if you want to purchase from there, I would recommend it that you should go for it. So definitely we all mothers wants our babies or kids to get comfortable environment, comfortable easy things to wear. So definitely I also feel the same, so I go for such type of dresses. You can easily see that all the fabric is very soft and lawn. The basic thing was the softness of the fabric and the quality of the fabric. You can also buy from different type of brands. They are also making such type of material, but their prices are very high. If you want to go for a quantity, so definitely and the stuff as well, quality as well. But I think this brand I would recommend is really very cheap in rates, as well as in quality is very high. I hope you love the wardrobe tour of my baby girl, and actually I'm enjoying a lot, and I'm so much satisfied with the material and fabric, and I'm enjoying a lot. This is another material. I customized this order from the same brand, as my husband called my little girl Gigi, so I just customized this order, and they make it so beautiful. I love it, and I am still recommending all of you to go for it. And you can even you can find more brands like that. I'm not only recommending the same brand. So it's the search on internet is really very difficult, but if you find something useful, I think you should stick with it, because difficulty of finding good brand is everywhere. So definitely thank you so much for watching my video. I will bring some more videos for you. like this regarding summer. In my previous videos you have seen my winter problems and winter stuff. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my effort. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.